Yeah, these carriages here is what we normally use on a Sunday.
Yep.
And all things being equal, normally there'd be a steam loco on the end of that.
Yep.
Unfortunately, all our steam locos are under repair at the moment. Hopefully,
Yeah.
one out going very shortly.
They take a while to get going, don't they?
Yeah. In the meantime, the little diesel there's our steam loco.
Yep.
Wish had almost as much smoke as the steam. That's a side rod.
Plays a bit of the old diesel.
It's got 200 horsepower. It's a very, very low gear, all torque. All the gears and luggies. Oh, we've got a speed limit here in the yard.
Yeah.
Get out the yard and get up a bit. This is what they're going to redo the little... Oh, that one used to live out the front. He used to play on it, but he was, as you can see, it's a bit hazardous with the front rolls and that sort of thing, so you get the makeover.
Yep.
And put a new roof on him, took him and everything.
Let's call it polished, but thank you.
Oh, it is. Yeah, that's cool. All intents and purposes, it's a kitchen call it.
Yeah.
You can't call it that these days.
Yeah.
Copyright.
Oh, yeah, license roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, spare parking market over here.
Yep. I've seen them going past on the track before.
Yeah.
I've walked past on the track.
See how some of them there with the fresh on up here as well.
Yep.
Now, all those can cut up the...
Oh, big pieces. A lot of it is duck in here. I was saying, take a lot of it is throw it out.
Yep.
You can't buy replacement parts.
Victoria, there's always a speed line, especially the old carriages. Next time we go on trips, do you get me to record or...
Oh, I get to record today, so
Yeah.
I'm not driving, so. The metal sweepers, good, aren't they?
Cheap and nasty they are.
Cheap and nasty.
Yeah. And you have to make all these cheap and buy.
Yeah.
They just do the job.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no line.
Yeah.
All the balances away from underneath.
Oh yeah. So they wouldn't like going at full speed on it. It's shifted.
We got a speed limit on it, back to 25.
Yeah.
Mainly because of the still speed.
Yeah.
They
That's good.
don't like heavy traffic. High speed around.
She has a bit of a swirl at the bottom corner there, I noticed.
Oh, we should go
Good side.
That's why the whistle for big crossing, I think.
Yeah. Yep.
The W stands for
Motor whistle.
Yeah.
You run out of
So
you spend the rest of the day pulling out for.
The old man was station master at Wonthaggi before they closed Wonthaggi down in Victoria.
Oh yeah, so he's got a few stories for you.
Yeah, and oh yeah, well when the goods used to come down, I used to get up there with the driver and go on the goods, and he'd let me go up and down the track, and
Oh, that used to go on.
yeah. I used to be amazed, you know, Victorian Railways, and they'd come down there with a T-class or T-class Fago or something, have a big sign on the side of it, do not turn engine off, battery flat. Yeah, that's the craft.
Yeah, I was on New South Wales Railway for a long time.
Yeah.
And far before, he was a steam driver.
Yep.
Started with steam during the war, and eventually sort of moved up to diesel.
Yep.
So he's got some stories.
Can't beat the old clickety-clack, can you? They're all welded there.
Welded well back there.
Yeah.
You see all sort of cracks.
Yeah. Joints.
You can see where the joints are up, we've got a timber splitter there.
Yeah.
You can bolt them in.
So the timber stakers are a lot more comfortable in the ride.
Oh yeah, they're much better ride. Because the concrete ones are better than that too.
Yeah.
Wouldn't mind going.
Unless you've got a pretty heavy sort of traffic.
Yep.
They're a bit more expensive than the others. Down the market. These timber ones here, the old original ones here, they last pretty well.
Yep.
They're a bit around about pine ones.
No, they're making a red dam or something. Don't they? Wouldn't be pine, mate. They wouldn't last long.
I reckon you get better those dirt bikes coming through here on the...
No, yeah, especially back there on the straight, there used to be a popular playground for a lot of the lads that rode around.
Yep. What do you-
As you see here, suburbians don't just get a side of these streets.
Yeah.
That's what the red line. That's not the red line, the beach one.
I reckon it's pretty good. Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
I thought I'd seen your face somewhere.
Some of those drivers on there get a bit grumpy if you don't break it.
I drove buses to Newcastle for about 10 years before I come in here. More barrels for him. There's population down here. We got the thing up there.
Unless you get a bit of a more of a rest down here.
Ah, yeah. School runs nowadays. The last 2 weeks of school holidays.
Yeah.
Once you don't get paid. See how it junction there on the main line?
Yep. Oh, it used to be connected.
Once upon a time, yeah.
Yeah. Last time I was down here, it was connected.